Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am super excited. This is our very first video in our new home. If you follow me over on Instagram, we've shared a lot of behind the scenes. I even have a house tour saved in my highlights, so be sure to check that out if you haven't. But I took a poll on Instagram the other day, and a lot of you guys said you wanted to see how we decorate for Christmas and how we're decorating this living room. We don't have a lot of furniture in here right now, but we did just get our Christmas tree in this week, so I figured I would show you guys how to decorate. So it's actually a funny story. Last year I attempted to floss our Christmas tree. While it looked beautiful on Instagram, it was a major fail. The tree actually never dried, like the glue stayed sticky. So this is where we have a new tree. This one is from King of Christmas, and it is a 7.5 foot pre-lit tree. I think it has 800 lights, so we're super excited to break it open. We just got the tree put together and all fluffed up. I absolutely love the way it looks. It's 1,000 times better than our tree last year, so I'm very excited to get started on this. We did go ahead and put the tree skirt on. We actually bought this from Pier 1 like 2 or 3 years ago. If it is still available, I will link it down so you guys can find it in the description box below. But I did want to show you the decorations and kind of the order that I'm going to put things on the tree. That way you guys can get an idea of like how it all comes together. I usually start with like the filler items first, and I kind of lay those out because those are the first things I'm gonna put on the tree, and then I'll work my way down to the ornament. So I kind of set them out in order of how I'm gonna place them on the tree. I realize this isn't probably the safest choice, but we couldn't find our step ladder anywhere, so I'm gonna see if I can get this work. I am gonna start with the top of the tree and do like a fun topper. I've never done one like this before. We've always kind of had like a star on top, but I'm gonna try something new and see how it goes. I think the top is done. We'll kind of reevaluate as I put it all together. I think I'm happy with it though. So now I'm going to go in and throw in the rest of the filler pieces and kind of go from biggest to smallest and then start working on the ornament. Here's the completed tree. I absolutely love how it all came together. We ended up not putting on a lot of our regular like ball ornaments and just used like a lot of unique pieces, and I absolutely love it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more home decor videos or see a holiday house tour, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye!
Thanks guys.